In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Spotlight in Microsoft Teams meetings. Spotlight is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to highlight a specific participant's video feed for everyone in the meeting. This is particularly valuable when you want to ensure all attendees focus on a key speaker, a presenter sharing their screen, or perhaps a sign language interpreter during a large event. It helps cut through the clutter of multiple video feeds and directs everyone's attention exactly where it needs to be. To begin this process, your very first step is to locate and click on the People icon within your Microsoft Teams meeting interface. You'll typically find this icon nestled among your main meeting controls, usually positioned along the top or bottom bar of your screen. Clicking People will promptly open up the participant panel on the right-hand side of your screen, revealing a comprehensive list of everyone currently attending the meeting. This panel is your gateway to managing attendees and their respective video experiences. Once the participant panel is open and visible on your screen, you'll see a list of all meeting attendees. Take a moment to identify the specific individual whose video you wish to spotlight for the entire group. This could be the main speaker, a guest presenter, or anyone whose visual presence is crucial at that moment. Once you've found their name in the list, you'll need to hover your mouse cursor over their entry. As you do, you should see a series of icons appear next to their name. Among these icons, look for the three-dotted line icon, often referred to as the ellipsis or More Options menu. This icon signifies that there are additional actions you can perform related to that specific participant. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu containing various management options tailored for that individual. It's essential to select the correct participant's More Options icon to ensure you initiate the Spotlight feature for the intended person. After you've clicked the three-dotted line next to your chosen participant's name, a contextual menu will appear, presenting you with a range of options. Carefully scan this menu for the specific command Spotlight for Everyone. This is the option you need to select to activate the Spotlight feature. It's important to differentiate this from other options you might see, such as Pin for Me, which only pins the video for your personal view and doesn't affect what other participants see. Spotlight for Everyone is distinct because it elevates that participant's video to the primary focus for all attendees in the meeting, effectively overriding their individual layouts and ensuring unified attention. By choosing Spotlight for Everyone, you are making a deliberate choice to guide the visual experience of every single person present, ensuring everyone sees the designated speaker clearly and prominently. Upon selecting Spotlight for Everyone, Microsoft Teams will typically present you with a small pop-up or banner message, often located at the bottom or top of your meeting screen. This message serves as a confirmation prompt, asking you to affirm your decision to spotlight the selected participant. It might say something like, "Are you sure you want to spotlight this person for everyone?" or "Spotlight this person for everyone." This confirmation step is a safeguard, ensuring that you truly intend to change the meeting view for all participants. To finalize the action and activate the spotlight, you must click the designated confirmation button within this message. Once you click Conform or the equivalent button, the chosen participant's video feed will immediately expand to fill the main viewing area for all attendees, making them the central focus. If at any point you wish to remove the spotlight, you can usually revisit the More Options menu for the same participant and select Stop Spotlighting, returning the meeting view to its default layout.